What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because today, we're talking about something that could literally save you thousands of dollars. Common investing mistakes to avoid, and trust me, you don't want to learn these the hard way. So, grab a coffee, a notebook, or just sit back and laugh at my past mistakes. I mean, totally hypothetical mistakes. Let's go. Mistake number 1. Investing without a plan. Jumping into investing without a plan is like going on a road trip without a map. You might get somewhere, but chances are you'll end up lost, broke, or worse, buying Dogecoin at the peak. Solution: have clear goals. Are you investing for retirement, financial freedom, or just trying to flex on your friends? Define your why and then create a strategy around it. Mistake number 2. Trying to time the market. Listen, even the pros struggle to time the market, and they have, like, supercomputers and fancy degrees. The market moves unpredictably, so instead of playing psychic investor, use dollar cost averaging, DCA, to smooth out volatility. Solution: invest regularly, no matter what the market is doing. Over time, history has shown this strategy works best for most investors. Mistake number 3. Putting all your money in one investment. Putting all your money into one stock is basically gambling. One bad earnings report, one tweet from a billionaire, cough Elon cough, and boom, your money disappears. Solution: diversify. ETFs, index funds, stocks from different sectors, it's all about spreading the risk. Like they say, don't put all your eggs in one basket, unless it's an ETF basket. Mistake number 4. Panic selling. Stock prices go up and down, it's normal. But some people see a red day and freak out, selling at a loss, only to watch the stock recover later. Solution: think long term. Warren Buffett says, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Be patient, be calm, and don't let emotions control your investments. Mistake number 5. Not educating yourself. Would you perform surgery without studying medicine first? No. So why invest without understanding the basics? Solution: learn about finance, read books, follow credible investors, and watch videos like this one. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Alright, now it's your turn. Comment below. What's the biggest investing mistake you've made? Let's all learn from each other. Speech balloon down finger. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Subscribe for more investing tips, and I'll see you in the next one.